cooking with all the right ingredients to become a champion chef.
A huge congratulations to our grand prize winner, Brady, Sacha, Asian sloppy joe.
This 5th grader from MC Riley Elementary School is a 2018 Sodexo Future Chef Champion.
It feels so good, and this is my 3rd time, so 3rd time's the charm.
This year's theme, Healthy Asian Fusion, and Brady cooked up a tasty dish.
I made Asian sloppy joes with an apple and carrot slaw, and why I made this was because I love sloppy joes and apples and carrots, so I just decided to make a sloppy joe, and what makes it healthy is it's not ground beef, it's ground turkey.
The event hosted at River Ridge Academy is set up just like a cooking competition you would see on the Food Network. The kids had an hour to prepare their food.
I'm making rice vegetables, and now I'm just adding a layer of white rice on top of my mixture of my vegetables.
I'm making Asian noodle salad, and I'm just transferring this to this bowl so it will help me with my presentation.
I'm making Asian chicken roll-ups. I'm putting the sesame seeds on it to make it have like a decoration.
Then after cooking, the chefs presented their creations to 5 judges. The judges consisted of representatives from the school district and Sodexo who tasted and scored each dish.
Flavor profile of that sloppy joe. I mean, again, as the comments were made, it looked like a sloppy joe. And then when you put a little fork in your mouth, it was just exploded with flavor, very unique, outside of the box thinking to really bring it home, to bring home a medal. It was really good.
The winning recipe will now move on to a national competition.
That recipe will be submitted amongst all the other Healthy Asian Fusion recipes across the nation. And if it wins that, then there's a lot of really great things, a really awesome prize, incorporation of that recipe into the menus, some really awesome marketing material. So it's really fun and really quite the honor.
This is the 8th year Sodexo has put on the Future Chef competition. At River Ridge Academy, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.